Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can change the battery on an Apple AirTag. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Start by turning your AirTag over so the shiny metal battery cover is facing up. Hold the AirTag firmly between your fingers. Using your thumb and index finger of one hand, gently press down on the metal cover. If it feels difficult to grip or turn, try holding the AirTag with both hands and apply steady pressure with both thumbs to improve traction and control. Step 2. While continuing to press down on the cover, rotate it counterclockwise. This will loosen and unscrew the metal cap from the body of the AirTag. Once the cover is off, carefully remove the existing battery. Insert a new CR2032 coin battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side marked with a plus is facing upward and visible. Step 3. To close the AirTag, align the 3 tabs on the underside of the metal cover with the corresponding slots on the device. Gently press the cover down into place and twist it clockwise until it clicks securely. You'll hear a chirping sound, which indicates that the battery has been installed correctly and the AirTag is ready to use.